If you are a director or person with significant control in the company, then you need to verify your identity. So from 18th November 2025, new legal requirement will begin for all company directors and people with significant control to verify their identity. Now, some applicants, some directors, some people have not received this email. If you have received this email, you can click verify your identity and you can go straight onto that page. But if you have not received, then what to do? Go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write web filing. Once you click on that, you will land on this page. File your company annual account with Companies House. You will come to this page, click start now, then you will provide the details. Once you come to this page where it will ask you sign in to web filing, and you will click sign in. After you logged in, you will come to this page where it will say on top identity verification. From autumn 2025, there will be a new legal requirement for all directors and people with significant control to verify their identity and to confirm to us that they have done so. Directors and PSCs can verify their identity now using the verify your identity Companies House service. Click on this link, then after that you will jump to this page. What you need, you can verify yourself online with gov.uk if you have one of the following type of photo IDs. So if you have biometric passport, then you can do that. If you have photo driving license, the full or provisional, both, you can use any one of them. Or you have biometric residence permit, biometric residence card, or frontier work permit card. Any of these, you can do that. So let's start verify your identity. So now it asks me to, we are taking you to gov.uk, one login to sign in to this service. If you don't have one login account, you can create one. I will click on one login account, then I'll just zoom out, click sign in, enter your email address to sign in your gov.uk one login. This says you do not have UK gov.uk one login account. There is no gov.uk login account. So I have to create one. So I'll click create one. Check your email. I'll got the 6-digit code. Continue. Then it will ask you choose how to get security code. So I'll go for text app. Enter your mobile number. I'll put my mobile number. Continue. You have created your gov.uk one login. Now continue. After that, it will ask you enter your Companies House password. So I have to enter my Companies House password. Next question is, has your identity been verified for the Companies House? No. So that is why we are doing this. We are taking you to verify your identity with gov.uk one login. Route 1, use the gov.uk mobile phone app. This is the fastest way for that. So the mobile phone app is simple. Next one is verify online without mobile phone app. If you cannot verify using the mobile phone app, you can still verify online without it. You will need to answer few questions about yourself to confirm. So let's try route 2. First, if that don't work, then we will try the next one. So tell us if you have one of the following. So passport, we'll go for that one. Next question is, are you on a computer or tablet right now? Yes. Continue. Tell us if you have access to an iPhone or Android phone. So everyone got access to iPhone or Android. So we'll go for yes, I have access to iPhone. Click on this one. Use the gov.uk one login app. Prove your identity. So let's try that because looks like this is how they want. So let's scan this. After scanning the code, the question is, do you have a passport with biometric chip? So this is on my phone. It's asking for the details. I'll click yes, continue. Confirm you want to continue with your passport. Okay, yes, continue. Next is one login allow. Okay. How to take your photo of your passport. So they just want to take the picture of the passport. I'll click start. Now it says scan the biometric chip in your passport. Wait. Now start scan. It's not scanning. Reason I got a case. I'll take the case out. I'll put the without the case or anything. Ready to scan. Scan in progress. Reading interrupted. Make sure the phone is on top of the document. Okay. Scan in progress. Now it's working. Ready to scan. Please hold still. So you have to make sure that your passport. So what I did, I opened the page of the passport where I have the picture of myself, and that's what I have used. Now it says your scan is successful. Scan your face with your selfie camera. Start. So now I'll scan the face. The face scanning is done. Submitting your information. This take up to a minute. Now it says return to tablet. So let's go back to PC. After that, finish your proving your identity. Click on that. Then you will land on this page. We have confirmed that you have matched your identity. Next, it says we have successfully matched you to the photo of your ID. Click continue. Next, it will ask you for your address, your postcode. You'll put that details in. It will confirm when did you started living at this address. Once you have done this, then you will click continue. It will confirm your details. You confirm your details are correct. Click continue, and then it will take you to the page. We need to check your details. Your details will be checked against information held by another organization. So it can take up to 30 seconds to check your details. Click continue. So this may take time, but eventually you will get the answer. Continue to this service you need to use. You have successfully proved your identity. You can now continue to this service you need to use. Some of the information you shared when you prove your identity might be used automatically. Fill in the forms within this service. So this is how you need to continue your prove your identity. I know it's not easy. Reason I'm creating this video is because there are loads of directors who are overseas who don't stay in this country, and this is where the trouble is. And I have known many applicants like they have done this before from different country. So if this is the case, then you have to make sure you do it right. Now it takes you to this page, identity verification complete. Your company's house personal code is this, and now what you will need your company's house personal code for. These are the details they have provided, and this is where your email address which confirms you. So this is how you have to do it. Only share this thing, so click continue and you will come to this page where it will give you everything. So this is how you can verify your identity. If you don't have software, HR software, then you can use this HR software. This is one of the cheapest software which you can find on the market. The link is in the description. You can go on that website and you can use this one. This will cost you £50 for 5 years. So this is one of the cheapest software. Hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, send me an email at dr_khan consultant.com.